Hi class. So in this video session we are going to learn an important concept of ethics that is called theory of Purushartha. So before we decode this theory Purushartha, let us first understand the meaning of ethics and let us see how ethics is related with this term Purushartha. So what is the meaning of ethics? So ethics is simply a school of philosophy that basically helps us to decide between what is right and what is wrong. In simple words, whenever we have to decide what is right and what is wrong, then it comes within the definition of ethics. So basically, this theory of Purusharth helps us to decide what is right and what is wrong, and that is why Purusharth is a part of ethics. So let us start decoding this theory of Purusharth. So let us first understand the meaning of this word Purusharth. So basically Purusharth is made up of two words. First is Purush and then we have Earth. So Purush means man and Earth means goal. So basically Purusharth means goal of a man's life, purpose of a man's life, objective of a man's life. In short, this theory tells a man that how he should lead his life, the life which we can say is a life of dharma or a life of moral conduct. So Purusharth basically has four components: dharma, arth, kama and moksha. All these words are related with each other. They are not separated. We will see how they are related with each other. Let us first understand the meaning of each words one by one. So let us first understand the meaning of dharma. So dharma again is made up of a word that is called dhar. So the meaning of dhar is to hold. Now what we have to hold? Dharma means something that can hold the society. Now what is the meaning of holding the society? Let us take the example that we have three people and all these men are part of society. Now what is the thing that can hold these three people? That is dharma. So the value system like love, we can say affection, we can say care, altruism, discipline. These are the virtues that can hold all these three people with each other. In short, dharma is a value system that can hold the society, or in simple words, we can understand that dharma is nothing but dharma is a moral value system. That's all about dharma. Now let us understand the meaning of earth. So the meaning of earth is basically economic. So you must have heard about a book of Kautilya that is Earth Shastra that is related to economics. So earth here means economics. It means that a man is allowed to earn money, a man is allowed to have property, to have houses, to have cars, to have land and all. In short, materialistic accomplishment is related with which word? That is called earth. Let us come to the next word that is called kama. Now, when we say calm, it simply means sensual pleasure. Now, what is the meaning of sensual pleasure? Sensual pleasure means any pleasure which is related with the senses. For example, sexual pleasure can be said to be a part of kama. Now, what is the meaning of moksha? So, the meaning of moksha is very simple. Meaning of moksha is liberation. So what is the meaning of liberation? It simply means that when a man leads a good life, when a man leads a life of dharma, when a man leads a life of moral conduct, then he gets liberated from the bondage of life and death. So basically, he completes the purpose of his life. That is called liberation. We can say moksha, we can say salvation. Now let us see the linkage between all these four words. So as per Hinduism, any man in Hinduism is allowed to have regulated enjoyment. Regulated enjoyment. That means no one tells you that you should leave this world or you should leave the world in isolation. You are allowed to enjoy your life, but that enjoyment within should be within the four wall of dharma. That should be regulated enjoyment. In short, you are allowed to earn money, but you should not leave the path of dharma. Again, you are allowed to have sensual pleasure, but again that sensual pleasure should be within the wall of dharma. In short, you are free to earn money, but earn money without breaking the rule of dharma. You are free to have sex, but do not break the rule of dharma. When a man follow the concept of earth and calm within the four wall of dharma, then he gets something which is called moksha. So this is the theory of Purushartha. Now, how we can use this theory in our ethics paper? There are multiple ways in which we can use this theory of Purushartha in our paper. Say, for example, few years back there was a question that what are the special traits that are required in a civil servant. So you can say that a civil servant should lead the life of Purushartha. It means that he can earn money, he can have the houses, but that should be within the four wall of Dharma. Again, say for example there was a question in UPSC, what is the meaning of good life? Then you can suggest here that the meaning of good life is living a life of Purushartha. That means the meaning of good life is to enjoy your life, but that life should be within the four wall of Dharma, or we can say regulated enjoyment. Again, there was a question in UPSC, what is the meaning of happiness for you? So again, there you could have written that the meaning of happiness for me is to live the life, to lead the path of Purushartha. So in this way, we can use this theory of Purushartha in our answer in multiple ways. I hope that you understand this topic. Thank you very much.